Okay, so let's try to do another one. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so here's a problem. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so to get to a business meeting, Joanna drove M miles in 8 hours and arrived a half hour early, right? At what rate should she have driven to arrive exactly on time, right? So she got there early, right? So based on the rate, based on what the information they're giving you. So let's say, now to find rate, let me just say that, when you find rate, that is equal to distance divided by t, right? But in this case, her distance was m, right? M over h, right? She went at that rate, and that got there half hour. I'm sorry, got there half hour early, right? Right. So basically, if she were to get there on time, she would actually have an extra half hour, right? So to get there on time, the rate could be, or would be, in order to get there on time, it would just be a different rate, right? So she still has to go m, the distance, right? But now she has a half hour extra. So you take the h and you add a half, right? So we get this. So this is the rate that would be required for her to get there on time. Now we look at the choices and I don't see that. So I see that there's a fraction in here and I'd say, well, how can I get rid of this fraction? Well, if I multiplied the numerator and denominator by 2, then I could get rid of this 1/2, right? So let's do that. Let's multiply this times 2, this times 2, and this times 2, right? So we wind up getting 2m over 2h. And what happens is this 2 and this 2 cancel out. So you're left with 1, right? So look at the choices and yes, there it is. It's D, right? 2m over 2h plus 1. Right, so the answer is this. Okay. All right, so we have another one done. All right, we did a problem. We did another problem.